Today's topic is about how to connect Facebook Messenger in Message2u. The way that the registration to put our Facebook Messenger connect together. From the infographic step by step here, we only need to visit Message2u's website, then log into Facebook account and connect the page together. So, let's move on now. Open your browser and visit www.message2u.asia. The URL can be seen here, and then click the colorful button to create a new chatbot. After entering the screen, select the Facebook Messenger from the very top of the option, then click the Continue button. Next, you will see a pop-up windows from Facebook. System is asking the permission to put this appconx linked with your Facebook page. What you need to do is, just click the Continuous button. After the next screen, we need to click the checkbox. Or select the page you want, that's it, very simple. At the moment I have only one page, then we click the next button. Please make sure the functions on the right side of this position. All must be turned on. Just check all of it and click the Done button. Continue to click OK when finished. At this moment, the system will go back to Message2u's website. Then we need click Connect. Finally, you are now on the Message2u's backend dashboard. Congratulations to you. The system has successfully connected to your Facebook Messenger. Alright. See you in the next video.